inshallah, you see the sky is cloudy. We want to start our march earlier today, but before that we have two speakers that we would like to invite to the stage. Just before I invite them, please remember this is a peaceful march. The police are there. If there's any issues, we can coordinate with them, and we'll just carry on with our march.
Of all Christians, we want to say sorry to our Palestinian Christian brothers and sisters, and then extend that to all Palestinians. There are more Christian Zionists than there are Jewish Zionists. There is more money being put into Zionism from Christians than Jews, and it's a shame. Yeah, it's a massive issue. Jesus' first words of his ministry when he stood up in Nazareth was preaching the word of the prophet Isaiah, saying, "I've come to preach good news to the poor, proclaim release to the captives, recover the sight of the blind, and set free those who are oppressed." You cannot reconcile Zionism and Christianity.
Continue slaughtering our children in Palestine. Are we gonna stop and stand together and stop our government from supporting those anti-human Zionists in killing and slaughtering our children in Palestine? And not just in Palestine. The Zionists have exposed themselves in stealing every human fortune, every human land. It's a program. It's a program that they are
140 days of our voices not being heard. 140 days of waking up and watching innocent people get murdered. 140 days watching the bloodshed before going to bed. What we are seeing is not normal. It is not new. Yes, the Palestinians had experienced this before, but not this severity, not to this extent. However, this is why we are here. We are here to use our voices, and I think by now our government, our dear friends in the government thought we were going to give up, but they don't know that our rage against this genocide will never die until the liberation of Palestine.